Welcome back. You are watching Pavitra Path. In the last episode, we learned that faith must guide daily living. Today's verses answer a deep question: what is true righteousness? It is only about direction, it is only about rituals. These verses give a complete answer. They also speak about fairness when writing a will. Let us begin calmly. After discussing the change of prayer direction, some people focus too much on outward form. The Quran now explains that righteousness is much deeper. It includes belief, charity, patience, honesty, and justice. Faith must shape character. Verse 127. A full definition of righteousness. This verse gives a powerful definition. Righteousness is not only turning your face to east or west. True righteousness includes belief in Allah, belief in the last day, belief in angels, belief in revealed books, belief in prophets. It also includes action, giving wealth to relatives, orphans, the poor, helping travelers, freeing those in hardship, establishing prayer, giving charity and character, keeping promises, being patient in hardship. This verse combines faith, action, and patience. That is true righteousness. Verses 178 to 179. Justice in cases of harm. These verses speak about fair justice in serious case. Justice must be balanced. No excess, no unfair revenge. The purpose of justice is protection of life. It prevents chaos. Law brings stability. Verses 180 to 182. Writing a fair will. If a person has wealth, they should make a fair will before death. Fairness must guide distribution. If someone corrects injustice in a will with good intention, there is no blame. Allah knows intentions. Key message: righteousness includes belief and action. Ritual alone is not enough. Charity and patience define character. Justice protects society. Fairness must continue even after death. Life lessons: balance worship with kindness. Help people in need. Keep promises. Be patient in difficulty. Plan responsibly for your family. These lessons create stable families and communities. These verses redefine righteousness. It is not only direction or form, it is faith, charity, honesty, patience, justice, a complete life of balance. This was episode 24, Surah Al-Baqarah, verses 127 to 182. In the next episode, we will study verses 183 to 187, which introduce fasting and explain its spiritual purpose. Stay connected with Pavitra Path. Peace and goodness to you.